Today we are going to be practicing meditation for heart. So let's start. Lie on your back or sit comfortably for this practice. Make yourself comfortable. If you are sitting, sit long. Relax your shoulders, and whatever option you have chosen, relax your whole body, preparing yourself for this practice. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose, out through your nose, and close your eyes. We are going on a magical journey inside. We are going to take a journey into our own hearts. A very special, beautiful place. So first, let's check in with our heart. How are we feeling inside our heart right now? Are you feeling sunny, bright? Are you feeling a little gloomy? Are you feeling cheerful? Are you feeling angry? It's okay, whatever you're feeling, that's fine. Accept it. Feelings come and feelings go. There are times when we might feel sad and down, and that's fine. Anytime we feel sad, we can check in with our heart and then take a deep breath in through your nose and out with a long sigh, letting go of all your sadness. Repeat this 2 more times. Breathe in, breathe out with a long sigh, let go. 1 more. Breathe in and breathe out. Now imagine a glowing light within your heart, and let's surround ourselves with a beautiful glowing light to bring ourselves comfort during sad times. Breathe in deeply and allow this glowing light to relax and comfort you. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice how this imaginary light gives you a sense of peace. Feel that warm, glowing light now surrounding your body. Breathe in and breathe out, letting your sadness go away. Pay attention to the fact as you exhale any sadness away, how your heart begins to feel lighter and lighter. The soft, gentle light fills up the space in your heart and shines out in any sadness or pain. Breathe this peacefulness deeply into every part of you. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice how the calm and stillness take over. Let this feeling stay with you throughout the day and in the weeks to come. Remember, whenever you feel sad, you can always take few deep breaths and exhale out with a long sigh, letting all your sadness fly away with simple breathing, the magical breathing that's always with you. Imagine your heart now beating with happiness, peace and joy and excitement at how many wonderful people and beautiful things surrounds you. Take a moment just to feel gratitude for all the love and caring that surrounds you. It's so amazing. We have so many nice things to be thankful for. We will slowly come out of our relaxation. So take your time. Don't be in a rush to open your eyes. Come to a relaxed state slowly, moving your body gently And if you were lying down, gently turn to your side. And when you all are in a sitting position, blink your eyes open. I hope you feel happy after this practice. Now carry this happiness and spread it everywhere you go. Thank you so much. Namaste, and I hope to see you again. Have a great day ahead.